Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aking channel. Yes, it's me again po, Jeanette's Lifestyle. Hope maayos po ang lahat, and of course, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, kung saan man po kayong sulok ng mundo na mapapanood nyo po ang aking vlog na ito. Of course, nandito na naman po tayo sa panibagong chapter ng aking vlog, of course. For my today's episode po, ay isi-share ko lang po sa inyo ang aking mga Livegood products na in-order. At yes po, madali lang po siyang dumating. And at the same time, syempre excited po akong i-share to sa inyo. At syempre, gamitin and i-share ko po kung bakit ito po ang mga in-order at mga rason behind this Livegood products. So, halina po kayo, sabayan niyo po ako sa aking pag-unbox and please stay tuned at marami pong salamat! So, there you go. Umpisahan na po natin. Maganda din po ang packaging nila. Napaka sturdy. Ayan. So actually, tatlo lang po ang products na in-order ko, which is I really needed about it, yeah, especially po ngayon dahil nag-work na po ako sa school, so kailangan ko po ito talaga, especially po sa aking eye bag, kasi nga minsan pagpagod tayo, puyat, so makikita po natin yung eye bag po natin is affected na talaga. So I really needed this instant tooth cream niya, so I'll share it to you guys. Ang benefits po kasi nito is that pag pinahid mo lang siya is of course you look younger, yeah. And it reduces the appearance of wrinkles, yeah. And at the same time, the result is really amazing, yes. So there you go. This one po. Ayan, ito na siya. There you go. Instant youth, yes. Cream po siya, yeah. So, once na mapahid po natin ito sa kung saan po meron po tayong fine lines, or let's say, ito nga po yung dark spot po natin sa ating eye bags. Ayan. Ay, mawawala po ito, yeah. So there you go, instant youth, yes. So let's see what's inside. There you go, this is how it looks like po. Ayan. So yeah, instant youth, yeah. Bango. This is how it looks like. Ayan. So mura lang po ito pag binili nyo, especially po pag member po kayo, yeah. So mas mura po ito comparable sa ibang online company, yes. So, I'll show it to you later, yeah, kung ano po ang mga prices nito compared sa ibang online na companies, yeah. So, next is that, ayan po, meron po akong multivitamin, yes. So, there you go. Ito po ay sinasabing bioactive or ang pangalan po is bioactive complete vitamins with iron. Ayan po siya. Complete po kasi it contains of 24 kinds of vitamins, yeah, minerals, or nutrients that our body is needed, yeah. Especially po sa akin kasi yung iron ko po is low, yeah. Ever since po, since nung dalaga po ako, ay mababa na po ako ang aking iron. So, I really needed this. Lalo na po, I'm not getting younger anymore. So, kailangan ko po ito talaga, especially sa ngayon, yeah. Kasi, mostly, or most of the time, lalo na po pag nagkakaedad na tayo, humihina na po ang ating immune system, humihina na po ang function ng ating katawan, syempre. So, especially nag-work na po ako sa school, so I really needed this badly, yeah, for my maintenance. Of course, hindi naman po lahat araw-araw na lahat po ng mga nakukonsume kong pagkain is nakukuha ko po ang all nutrients which is needed ng katawan natin. So, I really need to have a maintenance, of course. Siyempre, kailangan po nating alagaan ang ating sarili. Kasi mahirap po magkasakit, di ba? Lalo na po ako, malayo sa pamilya. So, ako pa rin po ang gagawa ng lahat ng mga, alam niyo, mga gawaing bahay, responsibilities of being a mom, o di ba? Responsibilities of being a wife, o lahat-lahat na po yon. So, kailangan din po nating, or deserve din po natin, alagaan ang ating katawan, yeah? Kung gusto po nating tumagal, or syempre, mabuhay, yeah? Na hindi po nabubutas ang ating bulsa, o di ba? Nasabihin na po nating worth, dahil these Livegood products are really the best, or it comes with a highest quality products. Organic po siya, walang halo, yeah. So, it has been proven and tested, no third party involved, yeah. So, I deserve to have this. So, there you go. It really, yung benefits po kasi nito talaga is promotes healthy aging, yeah. Yun na nga po, consist of 24 vitamins and minerals, support immune and cardiovascular, yeah, reduce stress and anxiety, yeah. So, it makes you strength, more healthy, yeah. At the same time, sa eyesight po natin, kaya kailangan ko po talaga ito. So, and it is best to take in the morning. So, there you go. Later po, ilalagay ko po sa aking description kung paano nyo po ito mabibili online, okay? So, sa pamamagitan po ng aking websites, of course, and si Livegood na po ang bahalang magpadala sa inyo, yeah? So, there you go. My next is that, ito po, ayan. So, ang laki ng box. Ayan. Super greens, o diba? Ang laki ng bottle, o diba? So, ito po namang super greens ay, syempre, organic super greens po ang pangalan nito, yeah? So, ang dami pong benefits nito, yeah? like immune protection, energy, yes, and stress support, of course, digestive health, yes, and detox support, yeah. So, yun na nga po, dahil our body never stop working, so we need to feed with the most nutrient-packed foods, which is possible the super or the organic super greens, yeah. So, maganda po ang benefits, kaya of course, excited na po akong gamitin sila. At isi-share ko po sa inyo ang aking feedback or reviews about it, yeah. So, there you go. At the same time, it helps improve digestion, of course, yeah, dahil tumatanda na nga tayo. Kailangan po natin ang ating ganitong supplement, yeah. Kasi mabagal na po ang ating digestion, yeah. Kasi nga nagkakaedad na tayo. Ayan. So, yun, support immunity, and at the same time, boost energy, yeah. And, yeah, so, ang paggamit po nito is just 1 scoop, yes, every day, yeah, either morning or afternoon. So, I think this is best in the morning, yeah. You can use it either warm or cold water, yes. There you go. Excited na po ako. So, once again, hope mabisita nyo po ang aking website when it comes on how to buy this online, okay? So, ilalagay ko po sa aking description, sa aking vlog na ito. So, there you go. So, happy in sharing this Livegood product. So, of course, marami pong salamat for your stay tuned, yeah, sa aking vlog. And at the same time, keep safe everyone, and kailangan po talaga natin magkaroon ng daily supplement, yeah, dahil yun na nga po, actually our mission in this company is to stay healthy, the people, and of course to get healthy, yeah, without any fortune doing it. Ibig po sabihin, to help people physically fit, yeah, without what is it, hindi po yung nauubos o nabubutas ang ating bulsa, yeah, sa pagbili ng mga ganitong healthy products, okay? So once again, marami pong salamat. So once again, thank you so much for your stay, and keep safe you all, and of course, God bless everyone. See you next time. It's time for me to say bye for now.